Now we will discuss what are alpha, beta and gamma rays. So what are alpha rays? These are positively charged particles having 2 neutrons and 2 protons. They are like helium nucleus having 0 electrons. They don't have 0 electrons. They have least penetration power due to high mass. So alpha rays have got very high mass, so that is why they penetrate the least. So they have least penetration power. They have greatest ionization power due to high positive charge. So we know that alpha rays are highly positive charged, so they have greatest ionization power. So as you can see out here, so we have got one alpha particle. It contains 2 protons shown with red and 2 neutrons shown with blue. So we know that neutron is neutrally charged. They don't have any charge, either positive or negative, but proton is having positive charge, so we have 2 excess positive charges. So it is just like helium nucleus, which is having 0 electrons. So alpha particle is the nothing but the nucleus of helium. Alright, so once again, so what are alpha rays? They are positively charged particles having 2 neutrons and 2 protons. They are like helium nucleus having 0 electrons. They have the least penetration power due to high mass, and they have the greatest ionization power due to high positive charge. Then we have beta rays. So beta rays cannot penetrate through skin. That is the speciality of this rays. These are extremely energetic electrons that are released from the nucleus of heavy atoms. So we have got one heavy atom, and from the heavy atom, the nucleus of the heavy atoms, they are being released. Okay, so these are extremely energetic electrons which are released from the nucleus of heavy atoms. When a neutron is nucleus is divided into proton and electron, which is a negatively charged particle with negligible mass released with high energy. So when a neutron in the nucleus is divided into proton and neutron, which is a negatively charged particle with negligible mass released with high energy, and it can penetrate through the skin, that we have discussed. Then we have gamma rays. What are gamma rays? These are photons having very high frequency and high energy but no mass and charge. So what are photons? What are gamma rays? Gamma rays are photons having very high frequency and high energy but no mass and charge. So it is being, these gamma rays are released from here, so it is not having any mass or any charge, but they are having the highest penetration power. It can penetrate even through human skin and bones and cause damage, and can penetrate through thick concrete and lead as well, and it has got a very least ionizing power. So as we can see here, so we have some different shieldings provided. So one shield is of paper, one shield is of plastic, one shield is of concrete, steel or lead. So as we can see, this alpha rays simply get stuck here, so alpha rays even can't penetrate through the paper even. Okay, so it has got a very least penetration power, we have discussed. Now beta rays, as you know, that it can penetrate through paper but cannot penetrate through plastic, so it has got a midway, some kind of penetration power. But gamma rays have got a very high penetration power, so it can penetrate even through paper, plastic and even through concrete or steel or lead. Fine. So these were 3 important rays which are frequently occurring in the subject material science and materials engineering, and so we have seen the overall view for this alpha, beta and gamma rays. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.